I think only like 2 days later, Anthropic did release their new bestest model, Opus 4.5, which is apparently extremely good at software engineering and coding. It probably will not make an image of Marquez reviewing an iPhone 16 Pro.
I don't think Claude can generate images at all.
Wow.
Yeah, they have not given.
That's good, because there is no utility to generating images besides screwing people over. So.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes it's fun for the meme. like when I made that fake Polymarket thing for you, David, that was pretty good, right?
But you generated that?
Generated that? When I was making fake Polymarket
AI
stuff, I was photoshopping it like a real man.
No, I went to like, I just Googled fake Polymarket generator and then I got a good result.
Oh.
So yeah, no AI, but still fake. I'm just going to stop.
So Claude 4.5 will code really well.
Yeah.
That's great.
That's great.
Are people who code? Yes. I've actually seen two versions of this. I've seen two versions. I've seen one version where people who code are using the out of it and like loving it.
Yeah.
And then I've seen one version where they're like, oh, this is kind of just better than me yet.
I'm trying to think of how we could respond to this as non-coders that wouldn't make everyone mad at us. And
it's kind of in the same way that like when we see Sora making a video and people go, ooh, are YouTubers cooked? It's like, well, it's not that good yet. And that's probably mostly true about a lot of these tools. It's like, it's a good brainstorming tool. It's a good foundational like base before you actually build more on top of it. Sure. But it's not taking your job yet, but the trajectory is there.
If I had to say the safest statement possible, it would be, I bet you most good coders know how to use it as a tool to help them, but it's not going to replace them.
Sure.
Yeah, we talked about last week, Google Anti-Gravity, which is something they launched with Gemini 3, which is just an IDE that you can code in and it can do almost all of it for you. So you just sort of tell it what you want and then it'll make a checklist. It'll say, these are the things I want to work on. Here's what I did. Do you approve? Yes. And it'll just code you an app. Like I coded Pina Collocator with it. That's sort of my benchmark that I've started using.
My friends that are like in the industry and software engineers and stuff, they've basically been using these tools to do all the grunt work. And then what's more important for them now in their current roles is like the system design of it all. So they're like trying to figure out which services plug into what. But the actual like coding the API, or like running the unit test, you just have like an AI do that.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. And with the acceleration that we're at right now, the Will Smith eating spaghetti video was not that long ago.
Dang. Wait,
it's much better now.
Soon they'll be like making whole Coca-Cola commercials with it or something.
Yeah.
See what you did there. Will Smith eating spaghetti. Sorry, I'm doing a Gemini banana thing.
I just tried to, and it said I can help with pictures of people, but I can't depict some public figures. Is there anyone else you'd like to try? And I said MKBHD, and then just did it.
Just made MKBHD.
So
what would I got? Why did they just steal my likeness?
That's like that's such a good burn. It's just like he ain't no public figure.
It did Will Smith for me.
What?
It did Will Smith for me.
Wow.
So maybe it has
I
no
literally
consistency.
also said Will Smith eating spaghetti. It just didn't let me do it.
Wow. Shout out to Will Smith.
DJI is possibly getting banned in the United States on December 23rd, unless the U.S. government completes a security audit, which will most likely not happen. Under the FY25 NDAA, the Federal Year 25 National Defense Authorization Act, unless the audit is done, DJI will automatically be added to the FCC's covered list, which would effectively ban new DJI products from entering the U.S.
New ones.
Yes, but they also probably would not be able to sell within the United States either.
Gotcha.
And so this at first I was like, hasn't this happened 20 times? But that was only for drones, right?
Sorry.
So we try to run a show here and be professional, and you guys just
usually muted.
Mine's muted.
Yeah, I was muted and I unmuted it so that I could.
I thought one of you texted me. I was like, why does this keep happening?
Okay.
I keep thinking this has happened already, but the differentiator here is this is just all DJI products and previously it was just drones, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is kind of like, they do sell a lot more stuff now.
The Osmo is extremely popular.
It's so good.
The Osmo 2.
So this is like actually, yeah. People are going to lose good products from this. And you have a question in here.
Yeah, so I'm wondering if this includes Hasselblad. I don't think it will, but I think that DJI is terrified of the U.S. government realizing they own Hasselblad. Yeah.
Because don't they do a lot of scientific imaging and glass stuff too? Like, are they a NASA supplier?
I do not know.
I think it's
Zeiss is like all over
probably.
the place.
Probably
yeah.
Zeiss.
But
yeah, I'm
interesting.
I'm curious about that. So we'll see. Considering it's over the holidays that the government would have to do this audit, I don't think they're going to, and they've been talking about banning DJI forever. So I think they're just going to get banned.